Mr. Sun.
I want to see Mr. Sun. Mr. Sun, I want to play. Please start the new day. Mr. Sun, come out in the sky. I want to see the butterfly. Let's read the poem once again. Mr. Sun, I want to play. Please start the new day. Mr. Sun, come out in the sky. I want to see the butterfly. Thank you.
Yeah, that's funny. You're funny poem, Mommy. No, that was a beautiful one.
Thank you. Okay, so this is how we can make poems. Okay, now let's try in the class with something else. Let's try with this bottle. Okay, can we make something with bottle? Okay, Pooja ma'am will try. You just try to listen to Pooja ma'am. Okay. Here is the bottle. I want to drink. I want to drink what? I want to drink juice. Here is the bottle. I want to drink. What do you want to drink? I want to drink juice. Okay? Okay. Now let's try something else. Let's do it together now. Okay? With something, with the bottle only. Okay?
I don't have any bottles.
No, it's okay. We have bottle here. Okay? Just imagine this. Come on. Let's try to do something. Here is the bottle. Let's make some sound. Let's make some sound. Here is the bottle. Let's make some sound. Two sound, one sound. Two sound, one sound. What do you want? What do you want? Right? Okay, come on. Let's make something else. With what shall I make? Okay. Okay. Now, Pooja ma'am wants to go outside somewhere in the nature. She wants to take a walk. Okay. And there Pooja ma'am is singing. Like, I am going for a walk. Let me go and talk with the wind, with the wind. I am going for a walk. Let me have a talk with the wind, with the wind. How are you, wind? How are you, wind? I am good. I am good. I want to fly, wind. I want to fly, wind.
Butterfly.
Yes. So now let's try. Shall we all try together? Something. Yes. We will spend little time making this song. Okay?
I will tell something.
You need to tell the poem whatever you feel like. Look, Pooja ma'am did not write this somewhere. It's just my feeling. Okay? I'm trying to tell you my feeling in a song way. Okay? So Alia, it's your turn. Come on.
My teacher's name is Pooja ma'am and Sita ma'am.
Okay.
I have a don't know.
That you don't know. Why you don't know? You know, because you are trying to remember. Try to feel and say. Try to imagine and say.
I have two teachers. I have two teachers.
With whom I talk, with whom I play.
No.
Then say.
I have two teachers.
Say.
It's okay. Okay, otherwise we will together will make. Okay, I have two teachers with whom I talk, with whom I play.
No.
Okay, you say, what do you want to say?
Pari, you can make your own, Alia. It will mistake, no problem.
Look, this is the problem, Alia. You are trying to mug up. Don't try to mug up. Whatever is coming in your mind, sing that song. Okay, let's think about rain. Okay. Rain, rain, let's go dance. Rain, rain, please come down. Rain, rain, let's go dance. Rain, rain, please come down.
I want to fly. I want to fly. I like the butterfly. I want wings and I want wings.
Very good.
I love to fly.
Oh my God.
Very good, baby. Very nice. Very beautiful. I want wings. I want to fly. I want wings. I want to fly. Sky very high. In the sky very high. Right? That's a beautiful poem, imagination. Very good. Now let's go to Shivani. Shivani, shall we start something? Shall we try something, Shivani? Come on. Shall we start making with rain? Shivani wants to make some poem with rain. Rain, rain, please come down, fall in the ground. Rain, rain, please come down, fall in the ground. Let's make some puddle. Come on.
This Shivani.
Shivani, come on, say something you want to say, whatever. Okay, let's, do you want to say, whatever you want to say it, Shivani.
Get to see.
Come on. Okay, let's talk with tree. Wind is blowing, tree is dancing. Wind is blowing, tree is dancing. Let's go dance together. Let's go dance together. What happened, Shivani? Say something, baby. Then only we will be able to do something, right? Say.
We will be sad, Shivani.
Come on, Shivani. Or do you want to? Is there any other thing shall we take? Okay, shall we take a clock? I see a clock. It goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. I see a clock. It goes tick tock, tick tock.
Tick tock.
Come on,
I see a clock.
I
is the
see a
time?
clock on the rock. I see a
9
clock
o'clock. 1 night.
on the rock. What is the time? It's 9 o'clock.
Puja ma'am, we will sing about our toy poems.
Anything. Let's start. Shivani, do you want to sing about any of the toy, Tene?
A sweetie dog.
Shivani, tell something, tell baby. Then only I can continue, right? Say something.
The sweetie dog is your friend.
Okay, Shivani wants to talk about Shivani.
Yes.
Come on, then talk. Shivani has 2 eyes. Shivani has 2 eyes with a nose and a smiley. Come on.
Thank you.
Say. Wait. Let us say. Come on. Shivani has 2 eyes.
Shivani has 2 eyes.
Both are bright. Both are bright. Shivani has 1 nose with 2 cheeks, which are sparkly light. Say. Okay, fine. This is how we will keep trying to make poem. It's okay. In one day you will not be able to do something, but we will keep doing all these things so that we can improve our imagination.
Puja ma'am. I want to tell you something.
Okay, let me first finish. Okay.
Okay.
When you go out or when you do something, you can frame your own poem, own story, okay? And this is how you can grow on your own. Fine? What will you grow? You will grow your imagination, okay? So when you see the tree is moving, you can imagine that tree is actually dancing with the wind, right? So there is beautiful imagination. When you see the cloud, you can see different shapes of the cloud. Okay?
Yes, like a tiger, like a dinosaur, like a dog, like a cat, like
Right.
a Puja ma'am.
Right. Okay. Now that's the end of the class. Alia wanted to say something. Come on, Alia, say it.
I haven't died. Her name is Kitty. She is pretty and she is naughty.
Oh my God, such a beautiful rhyming poem.
She play with me. She sleep with me. I love Kitty and Kitty loves me.
Oh, this is what I want you all kids to have it within you. That's really, I'm very happy, Alia. That's really good. Thank you. Shivani baby, what happened, Shivani? Okay, Shivani, look, you can also make poems like this, okay? Try to make your own poem. Fine? Okay, baby? Okay. That's the end of the day today. Puja ma'am will say
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Puja ma'am.
Bye, Alia. Bye, Shivani.
Bye, Alia. Bye, Alia. Bye, Puja ma'am.